How to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. To begin fixing cellular data issues, first try restarting your iPhone as shown. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches with network connectivity. Another solution is to check for a software update. Go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap Software Update at the top as shown. On this page, your iPhone will check for the latest software update. This may take a few moments to complete. If an update is available, it will be displayed here with details. Keeping your iOS updated ensures you have the latest carrier settings and bug fixes. If the problem continues, reset your network settings. From the General Settings page, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm. As you can see, a pop-up appears. Tap on Reset Network Settings again. This deletes all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Following these steps, you can easily fix cellular data not working on an iPhone.